Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 12step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can send files from your Google Drive using a mobile phone. To do so, all you have to do is first of all be logged in into Google Drive like I already am. After you are logged in, simply select the file that you want to send. Now after that, all you have to do is, after selecting the file, click on the three dots which is beside your file on the right hand side. If you click on, you can see that the same option appear. You can either click on copy link and paste the link to the person you want to send. Otherwise, you can directly click on the share option right here on top. If you click on the share option, now you are just able to write the email address of the people you want directly, and you'll be able to send your photos, your files, your videos directly to the email account without any hassle. This was for this video, and that is how you are able to send your files in Google Drive using your mobile phone. I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.